3-4 days ago, one night I created this outfit. This is my night suit shirt that I'm wearing differently, and this is a pillow cover that I unstitched and like I wrapped it around like a skirt, like the pillow cover that was of this bed sheet. Now 3-4 days like one night when I created this outfit, I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear it someday. But today when I woke up, why am I delaying wearing that? I'm gonna wear it right now, and I'm sharing this with you so that you don't, when you come into the habit of doing things right now, in the now, it just now that's when the blessings that are being delayed, they start to show up right now, because you move right now in the present moment.